Castor oil is an organic substance that has been extensively used for generations because of its many health advantages. It is created from the castor plant's seeds. Due to its high fatty acid and vitamin E content, castor oil works wonders as a moisturizer for parched skin. Additionally, it contains anti-inflammatory qualities that can reduce inflammation and redness. Castor oil is a multi-purpose substance that has numerous applications in skincare. It can be an effective weapon in your cosmetic toolbox, whether you're trying to moisturize parched skin or minimize the sight of wrinkles. Now, you might be wondering what's new in that. We already knew that. So, we're going to skip all the hydrating magic tips and go straight to how this oil can help with your below-the-belt problems such as vaginal dryness, vaginal yeast infections, and menstrual cycle regulation. I'll also cover the bartholin's gland and bartholin's cyst in this video, so let's get to it. What is unique about castor oil? The majority of the fat in the oil, 85 to 96%, is ricinoleic acid. This oil is not only extremely viscous, which makes it nutritious and hydrating, but ricinoleic acid also plays a significant role in maintaining the skin's good flora. Castor oil tastes sweet, spicy, and astringent, and it has a cooling effect when applied externally, according to Ayurvedic energetics. Natural toxins are eliminated by the astringency and pungency, while the sweetness provides sustenance. The cooling property of castor oil calms skin irritations and softly cools the scalp tissues and psyche. Castor oil can aid in the healing of wounds by keeping the area moist and preventing drying out. For instance, Peru balsam, a balm made from the Myroxylon balsamum tree, and castor oil are combined in Venilex, a popular ointment used in medical settings to treat wounds. All things considered, castor oil is an excellent, all-natural beauty product that nature has given to you. Take a look at these regular applications for castor oil to soothe your irritated parts. Vaginal dryness. The first three conditions we will discuss are vaginal dryness, vaginal yeast infections, and Bartholin's gland cysts. I can personally attest to the discomfort that each of these conditions causes for a great number of women. There are numerous potential causes for these conditions. I'm referring to the laundry detergent or soaps you use to wash yourself in the shower or bathtub. These can be brought on by dietary adjustments or by the prescriptions you take. For example, algal medication can have a detrimental effect on your body. However, simply applying a small amount of castor oil to the affected area, either via a compress or a good old-fashioned hands-on application, will significantly reduce many of your symptoms. It will promote blood flow, balance your pH, and reduce inflammation, which is one of the best things about castor oil. It works wonders as an anti-inflammatory, so if you're dry, itchy, irritated, swollen, and possibly grumpy, you are likely to find that this will make you feel better quickly. Just apply it directly with your hands. But what amount is too little or too much? I'm suggesting that you should probably use no more than a dollop the size of a nickel because, as I've learned, a little bit goes a long way. If you apply too much, you'll slide right across the parking lot. Additionally, I highly recommend using organic castor oil in a glass bottle for better effect. Finding this video informative? Then before I further discuss how to use castor oil, why don't you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, my fellow health enthusiasts? How to use it. When you're applying it, you want to kind of warm it up into your palms and then rub it over the folds of the vaginal area. This is very essential because you want to apply it to any irritable or sore areas. If you have a Bartholin gland cyst, you should certainly try to put it in there on that small spot. The longer it stays in there, the more effective it will be because it will go deep into the area and do beneficial things for you. Vaginal compresses. If you've made it this far and like our health-related content, do like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Now let's talk about vaginal compresses. Honestly, there are two ways to apply them, internally and externally. You can apply them both at the same time, or you can apply one or the other. It all depends on how comfortable you are and how severe your problems are. Regardless of the method you choose, castor oil is notoriously messy, and it will stain your clothes, so your best bet is going to be an absorbent, preferably organic cotton panty liner. It serves as a barrier between your garments and the castor oil. Finally, we'll place the compressed natural fiber fabric on top of everything, which can be either organic cotton wool linen or organic cotton reusable panty liners. Alternatively, you can skip all of that and get organic cotton reusable panty liners. What we just covered was about external compresses, but you're going to want to drizzle around a cap full of castor oil onto the compress And that's exactly what you want on your skin, like positioned over your panty liner. Let's now discuss internal compresses, especially tampon compresses. I should probably repeat again how nauseating these are, and they are made of organic cotton tampons. The best cotton fibers are going to be organic ones. However, this is the one you're going to insert, so you can definitely prepare these ahead of time. Apply about 8 to 10 drops to a glass mason jar. Pour about half a cup of castor oil over the top. Let them get good and absorbed. Then put the lid on and store in the refrigerator. That way you have it nice and chilled whenever you need. It's going to be so soothing. I would say that you wear it for approximately an hour on the first day or so to see how your body responds to it. I know that I have never experienced a reaction to castor oil, but every person's body is unique, so pay attention to your body. It will guide you from PCOS there. Fertility. If you are having trouble becoming pregnant, I strongly suggest castor oil. If you are experiencing irregular periods, this will help you become regular. You can use it like once or twice a week to clear your internal lining. The circulatory system is stimulated by castor oil therapy. Increasing circulation helps the ovaries and uterus function more normally by bringing fresh, oxygenated blood through the belly and pelvis. If these organs are harmed, inadequate blood flow inhibits their ability to heal correctly and may encourage the development of excessive scar tissue. Chinese medicine and further acupuncture therapies can significantly improve circulation, which is a good approach to naturally supporting healthy reproductive organ function and egg quality. By improving circulation to the liver, castor oil therapy promotes liver detoxification and enhances liver function. The liver produces 1/3 to 1/2 of all lymph and eliminates hormones, medications, and other physiologically active substances from the blood. The lymphatic system must operate properly for the liver to be in good health. A liver that is overworked as a result of a bad diet, bad lifestyle decisions, inactivity, or exposure to xenohormones is unable to operate properly or generate lymph as well. Hemorrhoids. However, I saved the best for last, because it will effectively relieve hemorrhoids. Given everything we have discussed this far, I think we can kind of set aside our modesty because, in my opinion, there is nothing more unsettling or humbling than a sore hemorrhoid. Do you understand what I mean when I say that you are truly at the mercy of a hemorrhoid until it is ready to be released? It could take days, weeks, or months, and in my view, there should be a lot more over-the-counter medical advancements than witch hazel because, well, that stuff is for the birds. My sore, painful, and uncomfortable feet prevent me from sitting down or watching a movie. You want to offer me something, but I can't unwind or use the restroom. So let's get straight to the point. You want to buy some organic cotton balls first because I'm going to explain exactly what to do. You're going to roll them fairly thin. After that, you're going to soak them in castor oil for a few minutes and place them in the freezer. However, because castor oil is sticky and thick, it will take some time to freeze solid, so definitely prepare some ahead of time. When they're finished and well frozen, you can store them in a mason jar in your freezer whenever you need them. However, you'll be using them as a suppository, so the cold will work quickly to calm down and ease any tension in the area, while also helping to reduce swelling and inflammation. Meanwhile, the castor oil will work overtime to lubricate the area and provide some relief from inflammation while also acting as an anti-inflammatory. The whole point of castor oil is that it's an amazing anti-inflammatory that works wonders on almost anything you apply it to. However, it's not advised to be used internally as it can cause stomach discomfort and flaming diarrhea. To be clear, I'm not trying to make a joke here. You know that angry hemorrhoids are not something to laugh at, but castor oil suppositories will make you and your hemorrhoid feel better. Now, there are some benefits that no one will tell you. You need to keep your vaginal health in check before anything else, and castor oil is the way to achieve it. But make sure to use the right amount and good quality castor oil for the best results.